Today we are with the one who has stolen the hearts of many with her amazing comic timing and phenomenal, full of life acting. Hi Juhi.
Hi, hello.
So I am from Indus Age, and so Juhi, about your upcoming movie Gulaab Gang, what is the movie all about?
Whoa, what is it about? It's quite an explosive little film. Let me say it's a commercial masala film. It's set in a rural backdrop in a little village in India, and it speaks about the village life there, the atrocities sometimes meted out to village women, and how there is this little gang, this little group of women who are the Gulaab Gang, headed by Madhuri, how they get justice for not just the women of the village, but sometimes just other villagers. They could be men. And then into their lives comes along Sumitra Devi and the interaction between them. Sumitra Devi is a politician, and like some politicians will be, she's looking for her own advantage, and she's not always right. So it's basically about good versus bad, and yeah.
We've all known you for your bubbliness and sweetness. This time you're playing the negative character. So how was it? Was it difficult playing role of Sumitra Devi?
In the beginning, when they narrated the script to me, the script was very interesting. It had these twists, turns, and I was always surprised with what is happening next. It had some amazing dialogue bazi in it also. So I'm like, but the role, I was like, 1 minute. I think y'all have lost the plot. Why would I do a role like that? Which is, she's, how shall I say, she's a manipulative, mean kind of character. Why would you come to me for a role like that? So I was quite taken aback, appalled. I was like, please, I can't do this. But then when I met the director again, when he explained to me how we can work on it, how he doesn't want me to change. I don't have to start looking like a villain. It's just, you play it yourself, but you have your ways of doing it. And then I started finding it interesting. Then I started looking at the larger picture and saying, wow, in this film there's these two characters, it's this interaction, the sparks which fly in these scenes, which is the zing of the film. And if Madhuri is there, I am there. It's an interesting cast. It'll make it happen. Something will happen. And then, so this took up a month of a little bit of discussion, listening to the script, and then coming around to this. So it was a process, but then once I took it up, I then really started to enjoy it. I was like, yeah, let me sink my teeth into it and get it right.
And how was working with Madhuri?
Lovely. Though I have to admit that in the beginning, I also was wondering, how it would be, because we've never worked together. But one thing about this film, why I did take it up, was the two roles are entirely different. In fact, Madhuri is the hero's role. And I had to first get that out of my head, that she does the songs, the dances, she is righteous, she stands for women and all. I am totally the wrong person, it's like heads and tails together. So you can't compare heads and tails of a coin. You can't say, oh, tails should be like heads. No, without either of the two, the coin is incomplete. So together we are completing the film, and if we work towards the film like that, she essays her role really well. I just do whatever best I can. We'll make this sizzle. So that was what I started thinking, and then we started working. So then I really started enjoying it, and I met her a day before the shooting at the office of the production house. So that was like an icebreaker. So the next day when we went on the sets, I was more comfortable. I was like, okay, now I know Madhuri, now we do it.
Okay. Gulaab Gang is a female-centric movie with no male protagonist or antagonist. Do you think Gulaab Gang will, set a trend in the future, like these kind of movies?
I don't think you can never generalize anything. It's like saying, no, I don't think you can make a general remark about any topic like this. Gulaab Gang is a film on its own. But maybe what this will do is encourage more people who have women-centric scripts to come out with those scripts, maybe get the backing of people who have to finance the film. Because there is that little hesitance before people, the moment there's a hero and there's romance in the film, people are more ready to back the film. But when it involves just women or their stories, then people are a little cautious. So maybe that would lessen. So that of course depends on the audience coming to see the film. If they like it, if they make it a success, then yes, many doors open for many people.
Okay, lastly, Juhi, any message for your fans across the globe?
Thank you so much for being there with me for so many years. When I started in the industry, I had no idea I would last 20 minutes, 20 days. It's been over 20 years, and I'm really grateful to each one of you. And I'm glad today that I've done something new, entirely different in Gulaab Gang. And if at some point you like Madhuri and me, come watch us together in Gulaab Gang.
Thank you, Juhi.